Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is truck washing day, which is Sunday. What I'm doing in this video is that my wipers last week ended up, I used them in the morning because there was some dew, and then every 20 seconds they wouldn't shut off, they would just wipe. The best place to look is going to be on YouTube, because if you have an issue with your vehicle, it's most likely going to be somebody else will have that same issue. So I checked on YouTube, and what I saw was these seem to go out. It's from what I heard, it was a recall. I'm going to do it myself, and I'll go ahead and give you the step through. These are really easy to fix, and hopefully this will fix the issue, but if not, then it will probably be the wiper motor. But what I did was for the last 4 days till I got one of these, I went ahead and just pulled the fuse out. This was about $50 on eBay or Amazon. Just make sure that the one you get is for your model. So mine is an XL, so I made sure to got the XL model because the pieces might be a little bit different, and the connections right here will be different as well, possibly. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this is the 5.5, and there's 3 bolts right here underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. Alright, so see here, there's a little clip right here. There's gonna be, looks like another one right there. There you go. Let's kind of pull it apart. There's also, you can also just remove this out of the way so you can kind of get your hand in there and just kind of pull it apart. You can see there's another clip right there behind the steering wheel. And that just falls off, so it almost doesn't even look like you have to take it all away. Let's see. I'm seeing, take this off. There you go. There's one screw there. Wow, how am I gonna get these screws? Yeah, so you're gonna have to rotate your steering wheel. You can see here there's only 2 screws that are holding it. So it's gonna be this one right here and the other one. Actually, it's this one right here. Oops. That one right there. So those 2 screws. And they're actually Star. They're not Phillips. They're one of those Stars. So go ahead and do that real quick. Now, if you're a do-it-yourself kind of person, something like this is great. If you have somewhere, see, I get a smaller one because I travel a lot, keep it in the truck, but I would definitely recommend even having a bigger one than this. I do have some that are longer than this, and also a bigger one of these for big bolts and stuff like that in the truck, but one of these is highly recommended as well. You can see all of these little Stars, you know, Phillips, all different sizes, and not just one. There's multiple of the same ones as well. This is something great to use. Is it really this small? Yep, that's the one. All right, so that is, just in case, that is a T30, no, T10. So that's the size you want. Take it off. Go and use this. Alright, so they do look slightly different. Hopefully this works. Actually, looks like they're identical. There's this white gunk on here. Not really sure if someone had replaced this already once. But obviously, if this is not the issue, then I'll just sell the old one because it works. It's just a little bit more worn down. Make sure that they all have the same. Yep. Okay. That's how I figured out which one was for it. Good thing is that you pull out the wiper blade, and it's only for the wiper blade, so nothing else goes out. So you can still use the rest of your truck. So that's convenient. Put this back in. Pliers. Boom. All right. Good to go. So before I screw that in and close all that up, I'm going to go ahead and put the fuse back in. I have two fuse boxes. One's in the engine area and one is actually over here. Now, I had this truck for a while and didn't even know this was down here. So if you're having issues with your truck, always check where the fuse boxes are and make sure there's more than one. Now, mine is gonna be right there. You can see the hole between the 10 and the 5 on the top. That's from my wiper blade, and I just looked that up online. It's gonna be probably the wiper motor. Okay, so the wipers did not turn on. Wipers real quick. Okay, good, wipers are working. Good, sprayers work. Look at that. I fixed the issue. 50 bucks. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you have the same issue, it's a quick about 15-minute fix. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 2 screws back in. Done with that. Have a good one.